Welcome to NextBrain AI. In this video, we'll walk you through how to use our platform to predict insurance data. We start by showcasing the two ways to upload data: simple import and advanced data source. Simple import allows you to select a single file in any supported format, while advanced data source lets you merge multiple data sources. We begin by loading our first dataset from a local file, an Excel spreadsheet containing insurance records. Next, we add another local file, also an Excel spreadsheet, to merge with the first dataset. We proceed to combine these sources using a left join. We select the common column present in both files as the key for merging. After carefully reviewing the merge settings to ensure accuracy, we save the configuration of this union. Now we utilize the enrich data feature on our merged dataset. This powerful option allows us to add more information to our table. For this example, we specify 3 additional columns we want to include. Within moments, NextBrain AI processes the request and enriches our table with the new data. Satisfied with our enriched and merged dataset, we proceed to use this source as our model. We click to create it, and within seconds, our detailed table is fully loaded. Each column is clearly displayed along with its data type, providing a comprehensive view of our dataset. Next, we navigate to the train section to build our predictive model. We select all the required fields, starting with the column we want to predict, which in this case is the premium column. We choose the regression prediction type for this analysis. Additionally, we select the specific columns we want to include or exclude from the model. Once everything is set, we initiate the training process. In just a few moments, NextBrain AI trains the model efficiently. With our model trained, we move to the deploy section. Here, we are ready to make predictions. We start by selecting the dynamic prediction option. We configure the values as needed, and NextBrain AI provides real-time data predictions, displaying them instantly on the screen. For more detailed analysis, we switch to the multi-variable forecast option. Again, we configure the desired values and observe a detailed graph. This graph presents the predicted data for each scenario, offering valuable insights into future trends. Returning to the train section, we decide to change our target prediction column to status. We also adjust the columns to be included in the analysis. This time, we explore Counterfactual Analytics. Counterfactual Analytics allows us to run what-if scenarios, altering variables to see how different changes would impact the outcomes. This powerful feature provides a deeper understanding of the factors influencing our predictions. NextBrain AI is an intuitive and powerful tool designed to revolutionize the way you handle data.